What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? It's Scootski back with a new video. So today we're going to be going back over my grandpa's 03 Toyota Tacoma that I've had for about 6 months now. So I'm going to go over the little things that I did get for this truck and just show you guys everything that I've kind of upgraded or just replaced because it's old and weathered. So the first thing is these window guards are right here. I did replace these. These were all torn apart. I got them on eBay. They don't fit like super right, but they're pretty close. You could barely tell. But I did it to both of them. And then also I did get some brand new tires. I got some Coopers Discoveries. I did get them on Walmart.com, and I did a little bit of research, but these are going to be perfect for this truck. Nothing too crazy. It should be, I think this is a 31-inch tire, so on a stock 03 Toyota Tacoma. How good does it look? I think it looks pretty good, huh? And then also, we're going to show you guys up front is I got Baja lights. I cleaned the front bumper up. You could see like where the white, this is where like the water was splashing. I cleaned all this up, and then all the trim that's black, I actually used the heat gun and I heated it all up. But yeah, that's what I did to the outside. Oh, and I did get new headlights. So those are new. They look pretty good with some good LEDs. So let's look on the inside. The only really big upgrade that I did do would be the double din, and I'm going to do another video on that because a lot of people get interested because of this truck, and it does have a backup camera, so that helps out big time. The only thing I do have issues is when I do press on my brake and I let go, it like glitches the system a little bit. I don't know what that's all about, so I'm gonna check that out in my phone mount. And then I just got like this nice like Toyota little patch. Other than that, everything's pretty clean back here. My clipboard for work, and then I do use this for work, and it is pretty packed in there right now, see? So I do use my truck for work, so I love the camper. Oh, also I did get these rain guards. I do like that. How I had to put these guys in, I had to pull this whole mirror off and slap them on because it fit funny right here, so I pull off the mirror, slide it in, put it back on. But this truck has been amazing. I haven't had really any issues. One issue I am having right now, ever since I put the tires on, it feels like when I'm like quarter turn, like on a turn, it gets stuck. I don't know. Like I looked on online, it probably is going to be like a steering pump issue, so we'll get to that. This truck does have 291,000 miles on it, and it's running great. Like the last time I talked to you guys, my AC didn't work. I fixed that. So I've done a lot of work to this truck in the past 6 months, and I'm really taking care of it. I'm really enjoying it too, and the community with it. So my grandpa took very good care of this truck, and for that reason I get to have it for a very long time. So I do appreciate that. Oh, we got somebody coming. Good old Bronco. Okay. Alright, so yep. This truck has been amazing. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and if there's anything else that you guys could think that I would like, I do want to get a roof rack for this truck, the both top and back, but God, they are expensive. The Prism ones, it's like $1,400, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. It's crazy talk, but maybe, who knows. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I know this is going to be a super short video, but this is a great truck, and if you guys ever doubt on getting one, get one, because they will last forever. Especially the people that got these originally take care of them tremendously. Like my grandpa, like I'm like not burning any oil. Every time I do my oil is every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, which, by the way, I need to do an oil change because I'm about 100 miles over. So yeah, I can't stress it enough. This is a great truck. And if you guys have any other suggestions, please put it down in the comment on what you guys would like me to do next. Also, I forgot to tell you, these lights that I did get is now I put up here is the blinker, and now this is fog lights. So I did switch that. There is a YouTube video up on my channel for that. But yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching Scootski. I appreciate every single one, every one of you guys. Love you guys. Bye.